Level Up with Janet E. We are in a foreign, undisclosed location, hanging out with family, but we are making sure to still stay on tap with what we got to do in order to level up. So I'll be back with a short level up because I don't want to take out anything from my vacation, but short level up on how you can move forward and get ahead. See you soon.
210. Okay.
So hiya, you have reached Level Up once again with Janet E. Thank you so much for joining us for this special. It's going to be a short Level Up with Janet E because I am on vacation with my family, so I want to enjoy that. So I am once again in an undisclosed location, definitely out of the United States, and definitely not one of those Caribbean islands that people usually go to. We are having loads of fun, lots of doing different things, zip lines, horses, riding horses, everything. So I'm just having a ball here. All right, so we talked about getting up and moving ahead. So what does that mean? How do we stay focused, get up, get out, move ahead with what we're supposed to do as we fulfill our purpose? Because that's our number one thing with Level Up, making sure that we fulfill our purpose, of our God-given purpose of what we are supposed to be doing in this world, to not only for ourselves but to impact others. Okay, so I'm going to keep this short, and you know the foundation of where I go to always in order to find what you got to do and how you got to do it, which is the Bible. So when we talk about Bible and following God, we're talking about meditating on the Word. We're talking about letting it take root in you and then being able to let that change you from the inside out. So that is the first thing that I'm going to let you know that needs to be done in terms of anything, but especially in terms of getting up and moving forward with your purpose. Making sure that you understand what your purpose is, first of all, and that's through discernment, through sometimes trial and error, just trying something and seeing if that's a burden on your heart to do. Or it may just be somebody pointing out, hey, you're really good at this. So all these things may come through. There's different ways that God's going to show you that something is for you and that's your assignment, and that's what you need to move forward to. So you get the thunderstorms. So we're in rainforest country. So we're by the beach, but we're in rainforest country. So we are going to hear thunderstorms from time to time. So, but it's just a passing storm. So we talked about meditating on the Word and making sure we focus on God. And then secondly, we want to focus on the task that God has given us. So this is the second and final point. So not only are we focusing on God and His purpose in getting discernment from Him and His reading and whatever other ways that He's showing us what our purpose is, now we want to move forward, get up, move ahead based upon what He has shown you. What has He told you to do? What has He mandated that you should be doing? Once again, not looking around at what everybody else is doing, but what you should be doing. And then how do you move forward with that? So God's not only going to give you the inclination to do something, but He will help you with the plan to do it. So we talk about, the Bible talks about writing it down and making it plain. So that's what you need to do. Write it down, make it plain, put the plan together. And on previous level ups, I have talked about how to make a plan so that you can be successful at it coming to fruition. So I want you to go back to that. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment to all of my content. I do love my Level Up Lovelies, and when you comment and when you like, subscribe, I appreciate it thoroughly. God loves you. I love you. And I hope you have a blessed rest of the day and rest of the week. Until next time on Level Up with Janet E. from an undisclosed location in the country. Bye, my Level Up Lovelies. Hope you have a blessed one. And take care.
Yeah, Janet. Yeah. There you go.
Here?
Okay.
Yes. Hold on the cape.
What do you got to say for your fans?
Hello, level up. We did it.
So, yeehaw! Bye-bye! You ride the horse in Panama!
Dale, mano, espérame ahí, cabrón.
So, Panama City, ride the horse! Hey, yeah!